and welcome to My Sister's Keto.
I know we've been gone for a while, but we are back with a quick snack that only includes 2 ingredients. It's a quick sweet snack to quench that thirst for something sweet.
Right. So a lot of times, of course, when any lifestyle change or diet, you have to change some things or some things you can't eat. One of the things with keto that you can no longer eat is yogurt, and I actually enjoy yogurt. I think yogurt is
snack.
Yeah, it's a nice snack. It's good. It's sweet, and just pretty good. So we have a keto,
a yogurt dupe.
Yeah, yes. A yogurt dupe.
A yogurt dupe.
Yeah,
that you make with sour cream
and the sugar-free or low-carb drink mixes that you can get at where Marshall's, Burlington, TJ Maxx,
or anywhere that they sell liquor mixtures.
Right, you can get them at the grocery store. Those places that I mentioned are places that I usually get them for pretty cheap.
Yeah,
you know, $2.99, $3.99, $4.99. And we have a few here today. This one is a Cosmo, and it's no sugar, carbs, or fat. So it's a Cosmo mix. So you, again, would mix any of these with liquor, but we're going to show you how to mix them to make yogurt.
Cream.
Yeah.
Yes, we have some different flavors, but today we're going to try I have a strawberry watermelon that we're going to mix it with, and
a margarita mix. So again, these are drink mixes that we are going to make a yogurt dupe with. So
very simple to make.
Yeah, very simple to make. Now, I've tried this once. I've seen it in a Facebook keto group, and I saw people talking about it, and I was thinking like, whatever, I'm sure it's not really good. But I tried it, and it's really good. So my sister is going to try it for the first time.
Yes, I have not tried it.
And she's going to give an honest review of this yogurt dupe. And,
I'll let you guys know.
Yeah.
All right, so does it matter like how much sour cream? Do we need to measure or just squirt a little bit in there?
You can, I guess, put as much sour cream as you want. Now, 2 tablespoons of sour cream is 1 carb. So most of the time these are 0 carb or 1 carb. So you could do like 2 or 3 tablespoons. So however much you want. And then the mix you put in depending on how much flavor or taste you want. So now
Now, so I'm going to go ahead and squirt my sour cream in here. I'm just going to do it by eye. And then this strawberry watermelon drink mix that I'm using is 0 carbs. So, I mean, does it matter? Like, should I measure this? Or
you could pour it in there, stir it around, and taste it a little bit.
Okay. So let's see.
Now, we all know what sour cream tastes like. It doesn't taste bad.
It doesn't have much of a taste. It's usually when you add it to something that it gives you the taste. Okay. So, I mean, you look at it, it kind of looks like yogurt.
All right, so you see what that looks like. It looks like yogurt. So yours is the strawberry watermelon. All right, so now I have the margarita mix one, so I'm not sure how that's going to taste, but we'll see.
It tastes like a little lime yogurt maybe.
Right, maybe I should add a little vodka.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it tastes like yogurt.
Is this a real reaction?
Seriously, it does. I mean, it tastes like yogurt.
It does taste like yogurt, right? This one is good too.
You want to taste? What do you think?
Yogurt.
It tastes like yogurt?
He thinks it's yogurt.
And it's actually sour cream.
Wow, so this is definitely a keto snack.
Right.
Definitely a way that you can get your, if you're a person that likes yogurt, or just if you're just a person that wants something sweet, quick snack during the day, you can mix this at home, put it in a little to-go container, take it to work with you, put it in the refrigerator, and there you go, nice little snack.
Right, and you could also add in strawberries or blueberries, whatever keto fruits, or some sliced almonds too, to make it sort of like a granola yogurt.
Yeah, yeah.
So, so you can really make this a nice little dessert,
This is
keto
good.
dessert.
This is seriously good. How is the one with the lime margarita?
It's good. And I can't exactly pinpoint what it tastes like. I guess it does taste a little like
a key
lime.
yogurt.
Not quite, but it is good. It doesn't taste like sour cream. It has some mix in it.
To me.
Yeah. And remember, this is just however much
you don't have to measure. Just pour that in there, squirt it in there, and put a little in there. Not too much, just enough to kind of change the color and give it some flavor.
Right. I mean, because you can actually put as much or as little in there as you want.
Or make as large of a container of it as you want. Because you can make some for the family. Hey, maybe you all want keto yogurt.
Right, exactly. So this is a nice, quick, easy 2-ingredient keto snack. And these are things
2 ingredients, 2 second.
2 second, and right. And these are probably things that you have at your home.
Right.
And if not, you can easily get them.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope you enjoy this keto snack. And let us know in the comments below if you've tried this and if you plan to try this. And let us know when you do try it.
If you use some different flavors, let us know how those flavors taste. Right. Also, a lot of you have been looking at our videos on Facebook, and we really do appreciate that.
We do.
We would also like for you to go to YouTube, check us out, follow us, like, and share.
Yes, yes. So, again, this is my sister's keto with a nice, delicious keto yogurt dupe. And we want to thank you for watching.
Thanks.
Bye.